Hi guys, welcome to my channel. The technology is evolving every day, and so are our needs. We see new amazing gadgets get live every other day. And in this video I have a list of such amazing new gadgets, which for you, at least one of is a must-have. So let's check out which one is that for you. Your toothbrush sits in your bathroom, day in and day out. But do you ever think about the germs gathering on it? The Bestek M-Care UV Light Electric Toothbrush can do the job. UV light is one of the best ways to kill germs, and the UV light on your M-Care will kill 99% of the germs on your brush. You will have 3 brush modes for standard, soft, and whitening, and 3 types of brush heads are included, and it is IP67 waterproof. Also, the smart timer will even let you know to move your brush to a different part of your mouth every 30 seconds. And the M-Care comes with a convenient all-in-one travel case, which protects it from dust, and charges the toothbrush wirelessly, no matter whether the case is placed flat or upright. And its hot air mechanism keeps the brush dry and germ-free. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. If you are looking to take your gaming, music, and virtual reality experiences to a whole new level, the CEEK 360 wireless 4D headphones can do that for you. CEEK headphones feature ultra-deep bass and earth-shaking vibrations with custom intensity. You will feel fully immersed in the worlds of your content like you never have before. The proprietary physics-based 3D audio and omnidirectional surround sound give you the advantage of hearing enemies from above, below, and behind you, so you can strike first. With haptic touch technology, you can easily change the volume settings, rewind and fast-forward content, or pause and play your videos by tapping and swiping on the right ear cup. Take phone calls or use in-game chat with crystal clear sound using the detachable microphone, or built-in headphone mic. Pair with the CEEK VR headset to take your VR experiences anywhere. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. This is Weber Connect Smart Grilling Hub. It is a Wi-Fi connected device that your grill is missing, unless you own some high-tech grill already. And this smart grilling hub can give that to your analog barbecue. If you are cooking up an hours-long meal, this barbecue Wi-Fi hub will help you manage it to ideal tenderness. This smart hub connects to an app that acts as your step-by-step assistant. Compatible with any grill, the Weber Connect works when you poke the probe into whatever you are cooking. Whether you want to achieve a quick sear or a long, slow roast, you will know exactly what's going on under the cover with this device. With helpful notifications telling you when to flip your meat, and when it's ready to serve, you can let your previous sous chef enjoy the party. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. This compact gadget makes it easy to blend up smoothies wherever you are. That's thanks to its 5-volt electrical motor that can even crush ice. Actually, this BlendJet blender has a 6-point stainless steel blade that can spin as fast as 22,000 RPM. Available in 10 different colors ranging from black to hot pink, this handheld blender has an option for everyone. What's great about this device is that you can take it with you for a long weekend, without worrying about plugging it in. Because its built-in 2000 mAh battery can make up to 12 cups per charge. When you do plug it in, all it needs is a USB port and up to 3 hours. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. If you can't hit the gym, no issues, you can use the Peloton Indoor Exercise Bike to work out at home. This indoor workout bicycle provides you with a way to fit in serious cardio exercise, even when you don't have time to leave the house. The Peloton gives you access to nearly 100 live classes per week. So you won't be watching some boring 80s workout recording. In fact, the instructors can even shout out to you in real time, so you better keep up. If you can't make a live class, choose from the library of classes that range from 5 to 90 minutes in length. You can surely find 5 minutes to spare for a little sweat. And while the price is a little steep, the company offers a monthly financing option that is less expensive than many gym memberships. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. Make yard work a much simpler task with the Lawnch-It Leaf Blower Attachment. This tool attaches to your leaf blower so you can easily collect debris as you work outside. Compatible with all handheld leaf blowers, this debris collector lets you sweep and collect at the same time. There is no need to go back over your yard and clean up when you have this leaf blower collector. Also, its polyester bag and galvanized steel frame create a lightweight tool that's just 1.8 pounds. So it won't add much bulk to your handheld leaf blower. And when you're ready to remove it, it's super quick and easy to do so. With a patented design, Lawnch-It serves everyone who uses leaf blowers, and it's especially useful for people with mobility issues. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. No matter what you often misplace, the Orbitkey X Chipolo Bluetooth-Enabled Tracker will keep tabs on it. This Bluetooth tracker easily fits on your keychain. You can also use the attached tassel to wrap it around an item that doesn't have a keyring. Also, it will rest snugly in your key organizer from the same company. Simply press the button on your connected smartphone app, and the tracker keychain emits a beeping sound from the item it locates. This will help you stop wasting time trying to locate where your kid moved your bag. Once you follow the sound to its source, you will reunite with your phone, wallet, or other everyday carry necessity. Last but not least, this little device also serves as a remote camera button, giving you the ability to take even better selfies. Check out the link provided in description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.